Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal University School. Now I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 8, and this class is about chapter 1, creative question number 1, revision 1. Okay, so dear students, come, let's try to solve it. First of all, read this theme. Farmers of the village of Enayatpur cultivated crops on the basis of seasons. In most of the time, their high land remains vacant. As a result, at that time, farmers become unemployed. In addition to the lack of crops in their land, unemployment makes them crazy, and they went to agricultural officer for seeking suggestion. Agricultural officer motivated them in cultivating crops which are free from seasonal dependency. Cultivating seasonal dependency free varieties of rice and vegetables, the farmers of Enayatpur are now self-sufficient. Okay, this is about the STEM, and now we will read the questions. What is GM crops? GM crops, here is the answer to question number 1A. GM, that means genetically modified crops, refers to crops those are made free from seasonal dependency. Number B, cultivation of super hybrid rice exploits the freedom of the farmers. Explain. That means if the farmers cultivate the hybrid rice, it will hamper their freedom. You have to elaborate it. B answer, cultivation of super hybrid rice exploits the freedom of farmers in the sense that they can no more use their seeds. This single use features inhibits future production. Okay, that means future productions are inhibited by such kind of activities. Number C, explain which steps were taken by the farmers of Enayatpur village to get success in crop production. Number C here, to get rid of seasonal unemployment and poverty, the farmers of Enayatpur tried to overcome seasonal dependency of crops. Photoperiodism of crops is the main reason for seasonal dependency. The farmers took initiatives to minimize it so that they may grow crops in many seasons. They also took steps to increase crops diversity. They grow different varieties of crops and vegetables. By doing all these tasks, the farmers of Enayatpur did not remain unemployed anymore, and finally they got success in crop production. So these steps helped them to get to a great extent. Okay, this was now number D. Analyze how the farmers of Enayatpur village become self-sufficient by the advice of the agricultural officer. This was the answer of C and D almost the same. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Facing the great problem of unemployment along with the seasonal dependency, the farmers of Enayatpur went to agricultural officer who showed them the ways to how to use their vacant highlands and also how to cultivate seasonal independent crops and vegetables. Accordingly, they made themselves free from the grips of photoperiodism of crops plants. They got busy with the farming and sold of seasonal fruits and vegetables at a high rate. Diversity in production also solved their nutritional problems. They got a good price for their early harvested crops in the beginning of the new seasons. Above all, now they all are successful in this how the farmers of Inayatpur become self-sufficient. Okay? This question's answer is very much easy. I hope you all got to understand it. Practice it by staying at home more and more. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.